Now see one example. The horizontal component of earth field at a point is 26 microtesla and dip angle at that point is 60 degree. Then find the vertical component of earth field. Find the vertical component of earth field and resultant earth field. So now the question is, a horizontal component of earth field at a point is 26 microtesla and dip angle at that point is 60 degree. Find the vertical component of earth field and resultant earth field. See. So whenever it is given horizontal component and dip angle, it means everything is in the magnetic meridian. So this is your magnetic meridian. So in the magnetic meridian, this is the direction of your earth field. And this angle 60 degree means this is the angle. So this side is called your horizontal component of earth field and this is your vertical component of earth field. So according to this component of this, BH is your B cos 60 and BH value given here 26 microtesla and B value we have to find and cos 60 or 1 by 2, so B is your 52 microtesla. Similarly, so we can say earth field is 52 microtesla. Now vertical component of earth field BV. So BV from here is B sin 60. B already we have found here 52 sin 60 root 3 by 2. So this become here 26 root 3 microtesla. So vertical component of earth field is vertical component of earth field is 26 root 3 microtesla. So this is the answer of this. Now come to another example. Now see another example. In a magnetic equator, the earth field is given as 2.5 microtesla. So find the earth field as magnetic pole. Find the earth field at magnetic poles. So this is the question here. It means magnetic equator earth field is given 2.5 microtesla and we have to find magnetic field or earth field at the magnetic poles. So see, if we are talking about the earth, this is your earth and this is the axis of earth, or that is called geographical axis, geographical axis, and this is the axis called your magnetic axis. So magnetic axis means it is just like a magnet has been kept like this. This is the magnetic axis. Now, largest circle, this is called your magnetic equator. It is called your magnetic equator. Now, so earth field here, in this equator, the earth field called as given is 2.5, and we have to find this. So what can be said, if this is just like a bar magnet, so this is the line can be said as a equatorial line, and this is the line called as a axial line. So as we know, B at equatorial line is given as mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube, while B at axial line is given as mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube. So this is the earth act complete as a bar magnet. So we have to find here axial. So B equatorial by B axial is your 1 by 2. So B axial is equal to 2 times B equatorial, and which become now 5 micro Tesla, because B equatorial is given here 2.5. So this is the way by which we can solve the problem. Now see another example. Example number 3. A magnetic needle makes an angle 60 degree with the magnetic meridian. 60 degree with the magnetic meridian. At this plane, it makes an angle tan inverse 2 by root 3 with the horizontal. Find the true dip at that point. So see the meaning of this question here. A magnetic needle makes an angle 60 degree with the magnetic meridian. It means this is the plane in which our needle is lying, and this needle is 60 degree with the magnetic meridian plane. So we can say, if this is the magnetic meridian, so this angle is your 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. It means magnetic needle is in this plane, and in that plane needle makes an angle tan inverse 2 by root 3. So see here. In fact, earth field is in this direction. The true dip is your theta. So BH is the horizontal component of earth field. BV is the vertical component of earth field. But if I am looking here, so magnetic needle is in that direction. This makes an angle here, let phi, in that plane. So this is the BH dash, and here B magnetic field, your B is at B dash. So BV is one component and another is because of this BV dash. The first thing is that BH dash is your B dash cos phi. So B dash is the magnetic field in the plane in which magnetic needle is lying, and phi is this angle tan inverse 2 by root 3, where phi is tan inverse 2 by root 3. So BH dash is the horizontal magnetic field in that plane in which needle is lying, but actual BH is this. So BH dash is also written as BH cos 60. BH cos 60. This is, we can say, the first equation. Similarly, in the vertically, that it will be the same. Vertical component VV is equal to BV dash. The BV is your BH sin theta, and BV dash is your B dash sin phi. Phi value is given. Now substitute the value of BH dash. So see from here, this is your second equation. BH dash is your B dash cos phi. BH dash is your B dash cos phi, and which is equal to your BH cos 60, and BH is your B cos theta into cos 60. Let this your third equation. Now substitute the value of from here. We can get from equation 2 and 3 B dash sin phi by B dash cos phi tan phi, which is your B sin theta by sin theta by cos theta into cos 60, and tan phi is given by 2 by root 3. So this is your 2 by root 3, which is equal to your tan theta by cos 60 or 1 by 2. So this will be here tan theta is your 1 by root 3. So from here theta is 30 degree. So true dip angle is equal to your 30 degree. In this manner we can solve the problem. This is your one of the question here. See the one another example. At a point, magnetic needle is showing apparent dip 45 degree. Now on rotating a plane, plane by an angle 90 degree, then the apparent dip is 53 degree. So find the true dip at that point. Now, see the meaning of this question here. The question is that at a given point, the apparent dip is your 45 degree. When we are rotating the plane by angle 90 degree, then the apparent dip is your 53 degree. Find the true dip at that point. So first we will see the true dip position. So for true dip, we must have a magnetic meridian. So this is the magnetic meridian. And if I am talking about the true dip, so actual earth field here in this direction, and this true dip is your angle your theta. Okay. And here this is your BH and this is your BV, vertical component of earth field. So now we are having two planes which are making angle 90 degree. See, this is your one of the plane, and this plane is making angle at phi 1, and this is the another plane which makes an angle at phi 2. So this is the meaning of that. So in this direction, horizontal component of earth field is your BH cos phi 2, and in this direction your BH cos phi 1, but the vertical component will remain same. So we can say here, first given condition, phi 1 plus phi 2 your 90 degree. Now if I am talking about in this plane, so in this plane magnetic needle is this angle here called apparent dip. So apparent dip is your 1 is 45, so 1045 is your V vertical by horizontal component earth field, V vertical, and horizontal component your BH cos phi 1. This is first equation. Similarly, 10 in the second condition, 53 degree, B vertical will remain same by BH cos phi 2, and we want here 10 theta actually. So now this can be said. Now we can write here BV by BH actually 10 theta. So now simplify this one, BV by BH from here 1045 into cos phi 1, and from another BV by BH 1053 cos phi 2, and cos phi 2 can be written as cos 90 minus phi 1 and sin phi 2. So 1045 degree cos phi 1, and this is your 1053 degree sin phi 1, and you can square and add this. So now we can square and we can add this ones also. So now BV by BH whole square into 2 times is equal to your 10 square 45 plus 10 square 53, and BV by BH square, that your 10 theta, so 2 times tan square theta is equal to your 1 plus and tan 45 your 4 by 3 square. So this will be your 25 by 9. So from here we will get 2 tan square theta is your 25 by 9. So tan theta is 5 by 3 root 2. So this gives us theta is equal to tan inverse 5 by 3 root 2. So this is the true dip angle. So likewise we can solve different type of problem based on your earth magnetism.